Welcome to LATAM MedTech Insights. Today, we're tackling a critical question for many device manufacturers. How long does medical device registration really take with INVIMA in Colombia? The simple answer is, it depends significantly on your device's risk class. According to INVIMA's official guidelines, the process is streamlined for lower-risk devices. For Class I and Class IIa devices, there is an automatic registration process. This means that if your documentation is complete and correctly submitted, approval can be granted in just a few weeks, sometimes as quickly as 15 to 30 days. This pathway is designed to get safe, low-risk technologies to market efficiently. However, the story changes dramatically for higher-risk devices. For Class IIb and Class III devices, INVIMA requires a full, in-depth technical and clinical data review. The official timeline posted for these reviews is typically between 6 to 8 months. But this is where the official timeline and the real-world experience begin to diverge. The most common feedback from companies entering Colombia is that these higher-risk device registrations often take much longer, frequently extending to 12 months or even more. The primary reason for this is the high likelihood of receiving a request for additional information, or an RFI, from INVIMA. An RFI effectively pauses the review clock. The time it takes for your team to gather the requested data, translate it properly into Spanish, and resubmit it all adds to the total timeline. A real-world case involved a European company with a Class IIb orthopedic implant. They had their CE mark and a robust technical file. They budgeted for an 8-month approval process based on official guidance. However, they received an RFI from INVIMA questioning the applicability of their clinical data to the Colombian population and requesting specific details from their risk analysis in Spanish. This back-and-forth process, including clarification and document translation, added 5 months to their registration, pushing their total time to 13 months and delaying their market launch. Other common causes for delay include administrative backlogs at INVIMA and incomplete submissions. For instance, failing to have a legally appointed local representative in Colombia or not having the certificate of free sale properly authenticated from the country of origin can halt the process before it even truly begins. Navigating the nuances of INVIMA's requirements is key to minimizing these delays. Understanding the specific expectations for documentation, anticipating potential questions on clinical data, and ensuring every document is perfectly prepared is not just a recommendation, it's a strategic necessity. That is where local expertise becomes a critical asset. For tailored guidance on your specific device and a strategy to navigate the Colombian market effectively, you can email us at info@pureglobal or visit us at https://pureglobal.com.